If you want to be known as a top tier luxury nail tech, this is exactly what you need to do. Hey besties, my name is Christy, as y'all know, and if you don't know, hey. Today we're talking about building your clientele to be better, like making you better as a nail tech, making you luxury, making you that girl that you always wanted to be, that nail boss that you really, really want to be. Okay, she drive that Benz to work. She luxury with it. Okay, she got the Pampers in the corner, like I know y'all know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Hit that like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, upgrading your social media. I feel like I talked about this in one of my other videos. Like, you have to make sure your social media portrays luxury. You said you want to be a luxury nail tech. That's what I wrote. You said you want to be a luxury nail tech with a luxury nail brand. So why are you not showing up as luxury? Why don't you scream luxury? You want to be a luxury nail tech, but your outfit not luxury, and not even that. Your environment not luxury, and not even that. Your nail that's not luxury, not even that. Your nails that you do are not even luxury. The experience that your clients get is not luxury. Like, let's really get to the bottom of this. It doesn't really matter about materialistic stuff to me personally, but how you show up and the experience that you give to your clients does matter a lot. Like, that matters a lot. I know we nail techs, we get dirty and stuff. You might not want to wear the best outfit. Okay, cool, but still make yourself look presentable. Still show up as a luxury artist if that's what you swear that you are, if that's what you really, really want to be. Because before you get to where you want to get to, before you become that person that you always wanted to be, you have to become that person before you can even be that person. You want to be a luxury nail artist, you have to show up as her every day. I don't know if y'all ever heard this before, but it's some kind of like universal law. You have to be and do before you can have. So be that luxury nail tech. What would she do? Where does she go? What kind of nails does she do? What kind of clients does she take? Where does she work at? Do what she does. Where does she hang out? Does she do workouts? Like, what kind of nails does she do? Like I was saying. And then you'll have that. So you have to just, take little baby steps and be intentional with your day. Be intentional with your life. Be intentional with your business, because that's how you're gonna become that luxury nail tech. It don't happen overnight. Nobody just grew up and started doing nails and, oh, she's luxury in an overnight or in a day. No, it didn't work like that. It took time. Everything great takes time. So definitely know that. And to become luxury, it's not a hard thing to do, but it's more mental than physical. Honestly, it's more mental. So show up on social media as that girl that you know you're meant to be. Show your clients why they should book with the best luxury nail tech in your city. Branding. I talked about branding in one of my other videos. So branding is important because we need to know what sets you apart from everybody else. I need to know this is you every time I scroll and I see your post pop up. Oh, this is her. I know this is her because X, Y, and Z. Like, she always got X, Y, and Z, or her colors, or whatever it is. Branding is very, very important. What emotion do people feel when they see your business, when they see you? Do they think luxury? Because that's what they need to be thinking. If they're not thinking that, they need to be thinking that, because that's what you want to be. So hello, let's go back to the drawing board here. Let's write some notes now. Let's get into it. You need luxury services. Okay, it is what it is. Like, it's no way around it. You need luxury services if you want to be a luxury nail tech. How are you a luxury nail tech and your services are just regular? You want to be a top tier nail tech, but your services are not top tier. That doesn't make sense. I know it don't make sense. Y'all probably hearing it back out loud, like, girl, that don't make sense. So have luxury services. You can choose whatever you want to do. I don't know if you like nails, toes, pedicures, manicures, paraffin, whatever you like. But if you went to nail school, you see like the add-ons and stuff that you can do in your business. So add a couple of those. Make it a luxury experience. Like, what makes you better than all the other nail salons in your area, or all the other independent nail techs in your area, or all the other nail techs, period? Like, what make you better? What make your services better? You need to lean in on that the most. Build a luxury experience. Like, what do you do for your clients? How do you talk to them? How do you greet them? Luxury services. As far as pricing, you do need luxury pricing strategies in place. Like, you're not going to be a luxury nail tech and you charging $50 a client. That's not going to reinvest into your luxury life that you want, into your luxury business. Like, you can't reinvest $50 back into your business and think it's going to be luxury. It's going to be regular, which is okay. But if you want to be a luxury nail tech, you need luxury prices. I would start at $100 a nail set. It is what it is. Y'all might want to bicker in the comments. I don't have nothing to do with that, girl. You need to work on yourself. But I would do $100 nail sets. I would start at 100, no less than that. And that's just what it is. If you're a luxury nail tech, your prices need to scream luxury too. And the clients that's not for you will not be there. Okay? And you will probably have no problems at all with clients either, unless you're just not fulfilling the promise that you're a luxury nail tech. You're charging $100, but your service doesn't equal $100. Then you will have a problem there. But as long as you're giving what was promised, you should be fine. And then lastly, you need a luxury client experience from the beginning to the end. Like I was saying, you have to deliver on your promise. If you're a luxury nail tech and you do luxury services, you have to deliver on that. It's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. When you're charging $50, okay, you can kind of, get away with it a little bit. But when you're charging $100 and up for nails, you have to show up as that from the beginning to the end for your clients. There's no way around it. If you need help creating a luxury client experience, definitely click the link in the description box below so I can help you build your business the right way. Now, how you're going to build your luxury experience from the beginning to the end. First of all, you need to make sure upon greeting, matter of fact, upon the booking site, that it screams luxury. When they get into your studio, when they come to your salon, luxury. To when they leave out the door and pay you, luxury. Through and through and through. Don't miss a beat. So when they sit in your chair, I forgot that. Let's go back a little bit. So when they sit in your chair, it needs to also be luxury. So think about how you're going to do that, what you want to do for your clients, something a little higher class, higher scale, and start executing it. I want to thank you so much for watching another video of me. If you watch me, that means you love me, and I mean I love y'all too, okay? Hit the subscribe button if you love these videos, and then I will see you tomorrow. We've been doing daily uploads all month, so I love it. I'm excited. This is so fun. And yeah, y'all, comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, whatever. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.